Have you ever wondered how Ethereum and Cardano compare? Let's start by taking a look at the founders. Ethereum was technically founded by 8 people, including 2 whose names you might recognize: Vitalik Buterin and Hoskinson. Buterin, a computer scientist, and Hoskinson, a mathematician, both dropped out of their respective academic programs to fully devote themselves to cryptocurrency. However, their collaboration didn't last forever. Hoskinson eventually left Ethereum to found Cardano. This divergence in their paths is not just a historical footnote, but a reflection of the distinctive philosophies that guide Ethereum and Cardano. Ethereum, with its practice-oriented approach, and Cardano, with its emphasis on academic rigor, each bear the unique imprint of their founders. While both founders have impressive backgrounds, their paths diverged, leading to the creation of these 2 distinctive cryptocurrencies. Now let's delve into the development approach of Ethereum and Cardano. Ethereum, as a pioneer in the blockchain space, adopted a more hands-on approach. It put practice before theory, an approach that allowed Ethereum to hit the ground running when it launched in the summer of 2015. This approach, while practical, didn't always leave room for rigorous testing prior to implementation. In stark contrast, Cardano takes a more academic approach to its development. Every component of Cardano's architecture undergoes rigorous testing and is peer-reviewed by academics before it's implemented. This ensures a solid foundation, but it also means that development can be a slower, more methodical process. So, in summary, Ethereum's hands-on strategy gave it the first-mover advantage, while Cardano's academic approach ensures that every piece of its architecture is thoroughly vetted and tested. These contrasting approaches have led to different development trajectories for Ethereum and Cardano. Moving on, let's explore the architecture of these 2 cryptocurrencies. Cardano's blockchain features a unique dual-layer architecture. The first layer, known as the settlement layer, serves as a ledger of all ADE and native asset transactions. This layer ensures that all transactions are securely recorded and verifiable. Now, the second layer of Cardano's architecture is the computation layer. This is where the magic happens, with this layer designed to run Cardano's upcoming smart contracts. This dual-layer approach allows Cardano to separate the ledger of account values from the reason why values are moved from one account to the other. This separation provides more flexibility in the design of smart contracts and upgrades. To maintain consensus across these layers, Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus protocol. This means that holders of ADA, Cardano's native cryptocurrency, can validate transactions and earn rewards. On the other hand, Ethereum 2.0 is taking a different architectural approach with a shard chain architecture. This architecture allows transactions to be processed in parallel across multiple shard chains. Each of these shards, and there are initially 64 of them in Ethereum 2.0, connects to a central beacon chain. The beacon chain plays a crucial role in coordinating staking and consensus among all the shards. It's this setup that enables Ethereum 2.0 to potentially process around 100,000 transactions per second, a significant increase in scalability compared to the current Ethereum network. The architecture of these 2 cryptocurrencies reveals their different approaches to scalability and functionality. Cardano's dual-layer architecture allows for flexibility in the design and execution of smart contracts, while Ethereum 2.0's shard chain architecture aims for high transaction throughput. Both are striving to solve the scalability issue that has been a significant challenge in the blockchain space. It will be fascinating to see how these differing approaches evolve and impact the future of cryptocurrency. Next up is staking, an important aspect of these cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into the details of Ethereum and Cardano's staking systems and see how they offer rewards to their users. Starting with Cardano, or ADA, the current staking rewards are about 4.5% per year. What's interesting is that you can withdraw your staked or delegated ADA at any time, offering a high degree of liquidity and flexibility. Currently, a staggering 73% of all ADA is being staked. That's an impressive $30 billion being put to work in the Cardano ecosystem. Now let's compare this with Ethereum. Similar to Cardano, the staking rewards on Ethereum 2.0 vary depending on how much ETH is being staked. At present, the annual return is about 7.5%, which is higher than Cardano's. But here's the catch. Just under 4.1 million ETH is currently being staked, worth over $11 billion. Unlike Cardano, this ETH will be locked for 1 year or more. So, while the rewards might be higher, your ETH isn't as accessible. So what does this mean? Well, if you're looking for higher rewards and don't mind locking up your assets, Ethereum might be the way to go. But if you value flexibility and being able to access your assets at any time, Cardano's staking system could be more appealing. Keep in mind though, that staking isn't just about rewards. It's also a way to support the security and operation of these networks. When you stake your tokens, you're helping to validate transactions and maintain the network's integrity. In conclusion, both Ethereum and Cardano offer attractive staking rewards, but their staking systems have significant differences. It's all about what fits your investment strategy and risk tolerance the best. Remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now, let's take a closer look at the tokenomics of Ethereum and Cardano. Starting with Cardano, the initial supply of ADA was a hefty 31.1 billion. This entire amount was pre-mined by IOHK. The Cardano Foundation then sold just under 26 billion ADA across 5 initial coin offerings in the years 2015 and 2016. These sales managed to rake in nearly $80 million worth of Bitcoin. The rest, around 5.2 billion ADA, was allocated to IOHK, Emurgo, and the Cardano Foundation. Now let's flip the coin and look at Ethereum. The Ethereum Foundation pre-mined Ethereum's initial supply, which was 72 million ETH. 60 million of this was sold in a public initial coin offering later in the year 2014. But what does this all mean? Well, it's all about the distribution of power and wealth. With a large portion of ADA being sold in ICOs, Cardano spread its tokens among a broad base of investors. This potentially increases the decentralization of the currency. On the other hand, Ethereum's decision to reward its developers with a share of the initial supply could have helped incentivize these early contributors to stick around and continue improving the platform. Moreover, these decisions about initial funding can also influence the current market dynamics. The more tokens that are sold or given away early on, the more potential there is for price volatility as these initial holders decide to sell or hold their tokens. In conclusion, the tokenomics of Ethereum and Cardano reveal their different approaches to distribution and initial funding. They offer a fascinating insight into the strategies these platforms adopted in their early days, and these decisions continue to influence their paths today. Let's now discuss the price potential of Ethereum and Cardano. Ethereum, being the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has the potential to reach around $4,500 during this bull market. Certain market conditions could even push it beyond this price point. On the other hand, Cardano, with its innovative dual-layer architecture and academic approach to development, is expected to double in price. Further growth could be seen following the implementation of smart contracts. It's important to note that these price predictions aren't set in stone. Factors such as market sentiment, regulatory developments, and the overall state of the global economy can all influence the price trajectory of these cryptocurrencies. Moreover, the unique attributes and developments within each of these blockchain ecosystems will also play a significant role in determining their future values. While both cryptocurrencies have high price potential, their future price movements will be influenced by a variety of factors. Finally, let's explore the adoption of Ethereum and Cardano. Ethereum has made a notable impact in the private sector, with numerous businesses and industries integrating its technology into their operations. This widespread adoption is a testament to Ethereum's technical prowess and its capabilities in facilitating smart contracts and decentralized applications. On the other hand, Cardano has been making significant strides in the public sector. It's been particularly embraced by governments in developing nations who see it as a tool for economic and societal growth. Cardano's focus on rigorous academic research and peer-reviewed development has certainly played a role in this, providing a level of credibility and trust that's crucial in these contexts. These differing adoption patterns highlight the unique strengths and use cases of each platform. Ethereum's flexibility and robustness have made it a favorite in the private sector, while Cardano's methodical and research-driven approach has found a home in the public sector. Ethereum and Cardano have seen significant adoption in different sectors, reflecting their unique strengths and use cases. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive comparison of Ethereum and Cardano. We hope that you've gained a deeper understanding of these two pioneering blockchain platforms, their unique features, and their adoption patterns. We value your participation in our community and would love to hear your thoughts. Who do you think wins this battle? Ethereum, with its established presence and versatility in the private sector, or Cardano, with its rigorous research-based approach and growing influence in the public sector? Don't hesitate to share your insights, opinions, or questions in the comments section below. We always look forward to engaging with our viewers and hearing what you have to say. Remember, if you found this video informative and want to keep up with the latest in blockchain and cryptocurrency, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create content like this and keep you informed about the dynamic world of blockchain technology. So, what are you waiting for? Join the conversation, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more compelling content. See you in the next video.